sell-off day as the markets were down. Yesterday, Nike reported earnings, and many analysts expected a different outcome from what actually occurred. Nike missed their targets, losing $790 million, and today their stock is down around 7%. It's the first of many earnings reports that are expected to drive the market down next month. Then the Fed put limits on bank buybacks and dividends after they conducted a stress test on the banks, which today drove some of those bank stocks down almost 7%. Finally, we had the much anticipated IPO for Albertsons, who actually lowered their pricing range from $18 to $16, going public on the New York Stock Exchange, which actually opened at $15, so below its pricing range. It was disappointing to see its public debut break price, but as we all know, it's really tough to predict what's happening on the market these days. In other news, advertisers are bailing on Facebook. Today they were boycotting advertising on the platform, driving their stock price down over 8% or close to that. Mark Zuckerberg actually came out in the middle of the day to make a statement saying that they were going to enforce restrictions against hate messaging and false information. But it doesn't seem to be enough to satisfy some of those bigger companies that are boycotting Facebook. These companies include Patagonia, Unilever, Honda, and others. Finally, as if we didn't see this coming, Texas and Florida are pausing their reopening plans as the coronavirus cases surge. So Pandocap family, please be very safe and stay healthy. Moving on to the markets, the Dow was down 729 points. The S&P lower 74 points at 2.42%, and the NASDAQ lower at 2.5%. All in all the markets, all the sectors closed down today. And finally, I want to thank Leanne Alfaro for the great interview that we had and was shared on Monday. Next week, we have another great powerful Latina, Martha Hernandez from Maid Boss, will join us on Pandocap, in addition to our influential women series featuring Lee Fan, VC and former CFO of Grub Market. And finally, I am so excited to announce Vero Gonzalez, who has joined Pandocap. She will be reporting out of Mexico and featuring companies that are emerging in the Latin markets, in addition to highlighting ones that would like to ramp up their international exposure. So thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend, and I will see you